There are websites literally paying people money every single day from the comfort of their home, or even helping people out with whatever situational need they find themselves in. Be it trying to pay a mortgage, trying to buy a house, trying to start a business, trying to raise a kid, or whatever the situation might be. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 of those websites. But before then, my name is Collins King, and what I do on this channel is I go source out great ways on how to make money online, entrepreneurship, side hustle. I vet these updates out, I do the research, I do the heavy lifting, and I bring the end product back to my viewers so we all can make money together. Now, your only thank you gift to me is to kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this, and also like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now, without wasting much time, let's head onto the screen so I can show you guys these 3 websites. And also, I don't want this video to be longer than 8 or 9 minutes, so I'm just going to glance through this website very briefly, and I'll suggest you do your own due diligence after watching this video. That's if you are interested in what I just showed you. Okay, so the first website is actually called giveawaylisting.com, and on giveaway listing they actually give out great resources every single day, every single hour of every single day in different parts of the world that could be beneficial to different people. And all you just have to do is come on here and search for ways that you can partake in this giveaway. And the beautiful part is the fact that they update their resources every single hour. So I'm recording this video on the 7th of February 2024, and let's say for instance now we want to see what this international giveaway list is going to give us. So I'm clicking on it, and we can see 2024 international giveaway list of 200 plus top giveaways. All right, so here you can find the list of the top international giveaways ending in February 2024. This list gets updated automatically every minute, and this list contains only giveaways that are free to enter. So this is like the giveaway, the prize, the title. This is the region, and this is the ending date. So let's see what's popping. We can see like 1,000 Amazon gift card. Region is worldwide. Ending date is 12th of December, 31st of December 2024. We can see 5 winners: 1 iPhone 15 Pro, 256 gig worldwide, 14 packs passes United States, that's the region, right? 3 months Audible membership and 4 audiobooks. This one is worldwide. 16 portable dual screen flip go is worldwide as well. We can see like they have different giveaways all in 2024, right? And in today's date, which is February of 2024. So let's assume that we now want to enter this giveaway. How can we actually enter this giveaway? You click on 1,000 Amazon gift card, for instance, and then here is how we can actually enter this giveaway. The basic requirement to enter our giveaway is to subscribe to our email list and social media channel. This action will only take a few minutes of your time. However, you can get many more entries and multiply your chances of winning if you complete the optional taxes, which is engage with their social media channel and comment on their post, or share the contest with all of your social media accounts, share your feedback, refer a friend. So basically, if you do all of this alongside just subscribing to their email list, you're going to multiply your chances of winning. And so if you just want to subscribe to this 1,000 Amazon gift card today that they're giving out, all you just have to do is enter your details here. And once you enter your details here, you click on submit, and that's it. So your email, your first name, your last name, your gender, the city, the country, and 8 plus 8, 88 or 18 or 16, whatever, and then you click on next, right? And so once you're done with that, you basically entered for this Amazon gift card $1,000 giveaway, basically. So I'll suggest you check out the website if you're interested, and we're heading over the second website right now, which is called turntous.org.uk. So turntous.org.uk is specifically created for people in the UK, because they believe that everyone in the UK should have financial security so they can thrive. So if you're in the UK and you're finding it kind of difficult, you're having some sort of difficult financial situation, you can actually come on this website and look for whatever situation you're having. So you can come on this website, click on support for your situation, and here you can see like different ways that they can actually support you, which is like cost of living, back to school support, bereavement, bringing up a child, cater, debt, whatever your specific situation is. You can just come on here, click on it, prison, pension and retirement, study, work and employment, whatever your situation is, you can come on here, click on it,
and follow through with the process, just so you can be able to sort yourself out. And this website is going to turn up for you. They're going to look for a way to help you, sort whatever difficult financial situation you're in. Right, and then we're heading on to the third website. Just like I said, I'm going to rush over this website because I don't want this video to be longer than 8 minutes. Right, and so the third website is actually called Grants for Women, and Grants for Women is specifically created for women. So it's called grantsforwomen.com, and it's specifically created for women, and it is more like an online guide to women's grant funding, scholarship, and more. And in Grants for Women, they actually believe that women are underserved, overlooked, and suffer continuously from unfair practices such as gender discrimination, gender underestimation, and even gender harassment. Hence, they created this website so it can actually cater for the needs of women, be it women that want to start a business or scholarship or whatever their different situation might be in. They created this website so women can actually come on here and seek for grants to better their own life. And so how can you actually apply for a grant? You can just come on the website and click on how to apply. So once you click on how to apply, they have their different requirements that can actually help you become eligible to apply for a grant on this website. And all you just have to do is read through the process or whatever the requirements are, decide if it's something that is right for you before you engage with this website. Okay,
now these are some ways that anyone can actually help themselves out with whatever situation they find themselves in. And if you gained any sort of value from today's video, do have to subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content like this. And also let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are. Also kindly like this video so we can push it out to as much people as possible looking for ways to make money online. Now with all of that being said, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Be well, be safe, and I'm out.